Okay, everyone. The first time I try out my motorcycle, after my Facebook friend Urban came to my house minutes ago, and he put in a new inner tube in this tire. Plus, the old inner tube, he cut it out. He skinned it like a snake, and put the liner over that to give it double protection from thorns and glass and nails. Glory to God. So now I'm gonna test it. He already left just now. Poor guy, gotta hurry up and get home and use the restroom. Can't hold it too long. Okay, let me test this out. Here goes nothing. Got the night lights on. Nice. Wow. Whoa. I don't want to go too fast. You know, just enough. Uh-oh. The all-wheel drive is not working, which is weird. The wire is probably not plugged in all the way. But besides that, it's good. It'll be fine. It does that sometimes when it's not plugged in. It'll be alright. I'll fix it. Glory to God.